How to use what's in the box. Step 1. A chosen message. Each character in the Realm of Halloween collection has a theme and an overcoming where they discover their own light within. Choose the character and message that best fits the moral you wish to convey to your child and your family. Your child, your tradition, your experience. You are the giver of the message. Step 2. Find the name card. In the Realm of Halloween, each character's name is symbolic of their internal character and identity. Just as the Creator has given special names to each character in the Realm of Halloween, parents also do the same for their own children. Have you ever shared with your child why you chose their name and what the hidden story is behind their name? Create a memory now by taking the time to share the story of your own child's name and why it makes them special. Step 3. Your character doll, a treasured keepsake. Are you creating beautiful traditions for this generation and the next? Will you form memories that make magic throughout the season? The most magical memories can begin when your child plays with their keepsake doll. The handmade heirloom doll is intended to bridge the gap between a world of magic and your child's world of play. Each doll is special because it is a treasured gift from you. Realm of Halloween dolls are specially made from quilters' cottons, luxurious velvets, and other high-quality fabrics, soft to the touch for those we love the most. Step 4. It's story time. Will you be the one to help them see the light in the dark? In the Realm of Halloween, the light always shines the brightest against the contrast of the dark. Contrasting opposites is a powerful tool for teaching. Use the messages found in each story to teach your child ways to overcome the dark and expose their own light, just like the characters in the Realm of Halloween. Make story time more than a story. Make it an opportunity to teach them how to see the light in the dark. Step 5. Keep your box. Creative parents inspire creative kids. In my home, we like to use the art-filled interior of our storybook boxes as a backdrop for creative scenes. Whether it's pumpkin spice using her rolling pin surrounded by an array of spices, Eloise playing a game of cards next to a pile full of treasure, Alora flying high on her homemade broomstick, or Gabriel standing by ready to save the day. Use the art-filled interior of your storybook box as a backdrop for your scene, and at the close of the season, use your box as a keepsake for heirloom doll and book storage year after year. Step 6. Parent-child play. Parent-child play is one of the most important types of play. Did you know that playing with your child not only builds trust, but also establishes a lasting bond? Use the activity map as a fun way to be your child's guide. Who will guide your child if you don't? Will you be their teacher? Use other activities found at realmofhalloween.com for more parent-child play ideas. Experience the magic when you open every box.